In the peaceful, family-oriented neighborhoods of Milton, homeowners take pride in maintaining homes that are not only beautiful but also safe. While many people focus on alarm systems and cameras to improve home security, one of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to protect your home is through door replacement. Your doors serve as the primary barrier between your family and the outside world. Over time, however, older or damaged doors can lose their strength and reliability, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins and weather-related damage. Replacing outdated doors with modern, secure designs can dramatically improve both safety and peace of mind. Here's how professional door replacement plays a crucial role in enhancing home security across Milton's neighborhoods. Modern doors offer superior strength and durability. Many older homes in Milton still have original wooden doors that, while charming, may no longer provide the level of protection they once did. Years of use, moisture exposure, and seasonal temperature changes can cause doors to warp, crack, or weaken around hinges and locks. Modern replacement doors, however, are built using advanced materials like steel, fiberglass, and solid core composites, which offer far greater resistance to impact and forced entry. These materials not only withstand daily wear but also provide added reinforcement against potential intruders. For Milton homeowners, this means stronger protection without sacrificing style. High-quality doors can mimic the appearance of natural wood while offering the resilience and security of modern engineering. Enhanced locking systems for maximum protection. A door is only as strong as its locking mechanism, and that's another area where door replacement makes a big difference. Older doors often use standard latch locks, which are easier to tamper with or force open. Newer doors come equipped with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along the frame, making it much harder to pry open. Reinforced strike plates and solid steel deadbolts also improve resistance against forced entry attempts. When you choose a professional door replacement service in Milton, installers can ensure that your locks, hinges, and frame reinforcements are properly aligned and securely fastened, eliminating weak spots that intruders could exploit. Impact-resistant and weatherproof designs. Milton's New England weather can be unpredictable, from freezing winter winds to heavy summer storms. A weakened or poorly sealed door can create vulnerabilities not only to energy loss but also to water intrusion and structural damage that may weaken your entryway over time. Modern weatherproof doors are designed with impact-resistant cores, reinforced edges, and tight seals that protect against both the elements and external force. Fiberglass and steel doors, for instance, won't rot, warp, or deteriorate, ensuring long-term security and performance. These features also deter potential burglars, who often target homes with visibly deteriorated or poorly maintained entry points. A solid, well-fitted door is an immediate deterrent that signals your home is protected. Improved privacy and safety features. Many new door models include integrated security features, such as shatter-resistant glass inserts, peepholes, and smart lock technology. You can even opt for decorative impact glass, which allows natural light in while maintaining privacy and protection. For added security, homeowners in Milton can pair their new doors with smart locks that allow remote access, activity monitoring, and automatic locking, providing both convenience and peace of mind. Energy efficiency meets security. While the main goal of a door replacement may be improved safety, it also delivers significant energy efficiency benefits. Modern insulated doors keep your home's temperature stable, reduce drafts, and lower utility bills, all while adding another layer of protection to your entryway. In Milton's variable climate, doors with energy-efficient cores and weather stripping not only enhance comfort but also prevent weakening that can occur with fluctuating temperatures, ensuring long-term structural integrity. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Replacing your front or back door doesn't just strengthen your home's security, it also enhances curb appeal and increases resale value. Potential buyers in Milton often look for homes with updated, secure entry systems, knowing it means less maintenance and greater protection. A new door can transform the look of your exterior while offering the reassurance that your home is well protected. It's an investment that pays off in both safety and style. Strengthening Milton homes, one door at a time. In a close-knit community like Milton, homeowners understand the importance of keeping families safe while maintaining a welcoming home. Door replacement is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to upgrade your home's protection, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By choosing a trusted local Milton door installation expert, you can rest easy knowing your new doors are built and installed to withstand both the region's weather and modern security challenges. When it comes to home safety, peace of mind begins at your front door, and the right door replacement makes all the difference.